The RapidWave4000 automated advanced cable tester quickly performs all required electrical and signal integrity tests to ensure perfect cables every time. The RapidWave4000 consists of a mainframe, test modules, USB Type-C and HDMI adapters, and calibration adapters. An advanced signal integrity module and an advanced adapter can also be purchased and used for showing eye diagrams, insertion loss, crosstalk, impedance profile, inter-pair, and intra-pair skews. The advanced signal integrity module inserts into the mainframe, and the advanced adapter inserts into the production test module. The cables are for the 4 high-speed differential pairs and 1 low-speed differential pair. Connect the cables to the inputs as needed. You select the tests you want to perform in the application software and push Run. This is ideal for design engineers, manufacturing engineers, and quality assurance engineers to work together with production to assess failed cables and determine root cause of production test cable failures.